This video is intended to help troubleshoot the phantom drift strategy when it fails to open trades for a long time. First of all, please note that the strategy may wait up to 24 hours before opening the first trade. Be patient. If the strategy has not opened any orders within 24 hours, you can manually go through all the steps described here to identify and correct any mistakes in your setup. This video will help you do that. The first thing to check is the time zone settings of your VPS. It must be set to UTC, Coordinated Universal Time. Do not select UTC +0 Dublin, as this may cause errors when downloading quotes for indicator calculations. Next, open the Sessions Manager window, find the required session, and open its properties. Go to the Symbols tab. Make sure that the instruments you intend to trade are checked. Do not select symbols you are not planning to trade. Also, ensure that the Collect M15 Candles option is checked. This is required for indicator calculations. If you are using custom filters that depend on indicators based on other timeframes, mark those timeframes as well. Now, go to the Mapping tab. If you enable Use Collected Candles Only and are using a FIX API account, the program will need some time to collect enough candles for indicators to work. Alternatively, you can configure the program to download quotes directly from our server or via the EasyFIX protocol, which allows indicators to start instantly. To do this, you need to map your symbols. Click Add below the mapping window. On the left, choose the symbol name from our database, for example, WS30. And on the right, type the name as it appears with your broker, for example, US30. If you leave the EasyFIX sender field empty, SharpTrader will download quotes from our server. If you enter a sender ID, SharpTrader will download quotes via the EasyFIX protocol. Then, connect the session and click the quotes icon to verify that quotes are being received. Next, open the Strategy Manager window and access the Phantom Drift strategy properties. As you can see, I selected EURUSD and set the lot size to 1,000, which is the minimum for most FIX API brokers when trading currencies. For gold, the minimum lot size is 1. Always open the Log tab. It will show any error messages that help you correct configuration issues. Let's take a quick look at how Phantom Drift works to avoid a common mistake that may lead to a margin call. Phantom Drift uses a limited number of averaging orders, each increasing by the lot exponent. For example, my max trades parameter is set to 4, and lot exponent for EURUSD is 1.7. With an initial lot of 1,000, the sequence will be first order, 1,000. Second order, 1,700. The program will round up, taking into account the minimum lot step, 1,000 up to 2,000. Third order, 2,890. The program will round up, taking into account the minimum lot step up to 3,000. Fourth order, 4,913. The program will round up, taking into account the minimum lot step up to 5,000. The total position will be 11,000. If the starting lot were 0.01, the total position would be 0.15. After that, the position is hedged, and the arbitrage component takes over. Based on this logic, you should calculate the number of instruments that can be traded simultaneously according to your deposit size and leverage. This will help prevent a margin call. Once the strategy starts opening orders, open the log tab again and review the opening times and slippage of both martingale and arbitrage-generated orders. If you notice that arbitrage trades are consistently unprofitable, there could be several reasons. Check where your broker's server is located and where your VPS is hosted. If your broker's server is in London, your VPS should also be in London. If the broker's server is in Tokyo, your VPS should also be in Tokyo. Using a Ultra AFX HFT VPS can help eliminate latency that may significantly impact your trading results. If you already use a recommended VPS and still experience heavy slippage, then most likely your broker has flagged your account. Or this broker is simply not suitable for arbitrage trading. Thank you for watching. We wish you successful trading. Please subscribe to our channel. It helps us continue producing useful videos for you. And don't forget to like this video.